Hello traders, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kwanzu. This is Kwanzu Trades. It's a new Monday, so definitely new market opportunities or new market analysis. Hey guys, if you watched my previous analysis, you've made money, period. However, if you missed, we're just getting started. So subscribe, hit the bell so you don't get to miss future analysis, right? And guys, I have one-on-one classes where I teach you to trade the way I trade as a trader. Now, this is not for everyone, okay? I don't scalp, I don't trade on the lower time frames, and I don't I don't day trade. Yeah, this is for people who want to capture the big move. This is for people who want to not to worry about the daily chaos of the market. This is for people who don't want to worry about the morning of New York and the morning of London or whatever Asia, right? This is for people who don't want to stay. This is for people who don't want to stay on their screen 24/7, right? So if you are interested, you can go look at my market analysis, see my thought process, and if that is for you, you can reach out. I'll leave my number in the description box. So, analysis, without further ado, let's go and reach out.
Hi guys, welcome into my chat. Let's see what the market has in store for us. Let's see what to expect as we trade this week, or rather what to look out for. And guys, we had a very peaceful week last week. Yeah, we had some massive movement in Bitcoin and gold, in US 30, S&P 500, and the Nasdaq. If you watched my analysis last time, you probably expect something off of that. But it's a new week, so let's see what we can expect this week. So I'm gonna start with the Bitcoin, gold, and EURUSD because nothing much has happened on the euro and the pound, but we had some massive movements in the Australian dollar. So let's start with this instead. And this is gonna be a short video because as I analyzed last time, we haven't had massive changes. Okay. So US 30. And guys, by the way, if you're ever confused in the lower time frames, what's happening, just come on the higher time frames. The week, the month. Matter of fact, always start with the higher time frame so that you can know what is happening exactly. Now, I've had times where I get caught up in, I'm buying when the general flow of the market is selling. You can pretty much easily get confused in the lower time frames. So looking at US 30 in the weekly, we have a double top situation. And I'm expecting this market to come right here. The last time we analyzed the market was around this place. Yeah. The last time we analyzed the market was around this area. And I said the moment to break out, we're going to bleed all the way downwards. So first level target being this here. And we did so. Right now, I'm anticipating this to be just a correction of this move. And if you use your Fibonacci, you will tell that this is that we are actually at the moment we are actually just bouncing off the 0.618 to breach resistance level. Okay, if that can hold, if you can successfully bounce off that level, then we are headed for next level target right here. However, this level and the fib level right here will determine what happens next. Okay, I think you can see this pullback more on the day, clearly on the day. Okay, right here to here, you can see we are bouncing off the 0.618 level. Yeah, so if this level can hold and we close below this one, yeah, we will come all the way to the 42,000 area. Yeah, I think that's it for the day. There's not much to say about it. I'm just watching. We captured this move, so I'm just watching whatever is gonna happen. Whatever is happening here is what's going to determine where we go from next. I'm watching this level and this particular level right here. Yeah. Whereas Bitcoin, we've had massive uh, drop in prices last week. Let me tell you something about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a million maker, but it's also, they call them Bitcoin world. Ooh, such a big name. But it also a back in the village kind of an asset. So when people anticipate, and now when people have a little fear of potential drop in prices, they you see this massive outflow out of the assets. Yeah, this is where Bitcoin had some massive sell-off. Okay, because normally someone, you know, as a person, you want to get out at 90, not at 70, right? So when people anticipate dropping prices and when people fear for dropping prices, it just massive sell-off. It didn't even breathe for a number of days. It didn't even breathe. And when you look at the week, we bounced off the 0.618 level. We had some massive momentum in Bitcoin. We had some massive sell-off during the week. But now it looks like Bitcoin is just bouncing off the 0.618 fib level. The 0.618 fib level, as you can see right there on the weekly, right? Yes. But listen, guys, one thing, the few times I've seen such massive profit taking or such massive rejections, price usually tends to come back to this level. Okay. Price usually tends to come back to this level. So what's happening is I'm gonna draw my trend line, my counter trend line. Since you can clearly see it in the day, we double the 4 hour for the same. So I'm gonna just come here. Have my counter trend line like so. And this will determine where now I take the sell position. If we break and hold, I'll be looking for sells all the way to this level, but first level target right here. However, this line can hold this market all the way back into bullish. Okay, and if that happens, then I'll be looking for buys as a break and retest of this counter trend line right here. However, with the massive rejections we've seen on the week, or with the massive profit taking happening right here, price usually tends to come all the way back to this level. However, let's wait and see for price action to tell us what next. Yeah. Gold has been, we've been bullish for the week. Right now, I think it's just pulling back to retest. But if you know gold, it loves the falling knife strategy. If you know what falling knife is, so just I think doing that, you're gonna pull back probably into this level right here, and then fall all the way back at least to weekly Fibonacci. Where is that? And the weekly fib is right there at a key level. It's right at this level. So show the so should we break a counter trend line? We will expect gold to fall into the 2,740 area, right? However, we can pull all the way back depending on the strength of the dollar, and you know, and be all the way bullish. But for me, I'm looking for bears after the pullback, after the completion of this pullback, right? And guys, as I said, if you know the falling knife, gold loves the falling knife strategy. So if you know the falling knife strategy, you can apply it to this one. Euro, nothing much really as that has happened. I think in my last analysis I said that when you break this counter trend line, I'll be bullish, I'll be bearish. I'm sorry, I'll be looking for sales. I did. We hit first level target this area. We took percentage of our profits, moved stop losses to break even, and go take it out of break even. Yeah, that happens. Okay, so at the particular moment, so at this moment, we're just waiting to see what happens next. This level decide what happens to EURUSD, right? This level will decide what happens next, whether we get to break it and retest it, or whether I get to bounce off of it, or whether get rejected and flow all the way down, right? But for me, I'm bearish. I'm more. I'm looking for bears. The EURUSD. I'm hoping, or rather, I'm more inclined for bears to bearish movement. S&P 500, guys. If you listen to a last analysis, it's all here, right? But looking at the weekly, we've had some massive profit taking also. And what I anticipate is price is going to at least come back to this level before you can decide going all the way bullish or breaking this level and, more bearish, right? But at the moment, I'm expecting price to come all the way to this level before anything can happen. However, this particular level and this level are the deciding factor for S&P 500 at the moment. We can break this and go for more bullish, for more bears, or we can cross this level and be all the way bullish. The same thing to Nasdaq, yeah. And I think Nasdaq and S&P 500 are cousins, like cousins. It almost moves not similar, but kind of you know close. They have the close movement. You can see what's happening with the S&P 500. If the same thing happening here with Nasdaq, with the US 100. So massive profit taking. Anticipate price will at least try to push back into this zone before we can decide whether we are bouncing off this level or we are breaking it for more, for even a bigger fall. Yeah, GBP USD, something to Euro USD. Not much has happened. We stay watching. We stay watching, right? And not much has happened here. I'm still holding on to this counter trend line. However, there's this line right here that's also significant. So at the moment, I have no bias for GBP USD. However, I'm inclined for the bearish, towards the bears. Euro Australian USD. Australian dollar, we had some massive fall. Last time I said the moment we break here, we're gonna break all the way to this level target. Now we had this black line right here. I was expecting to add on to my entries at this particular point. So whatever happens here, at this level will determine if we add more entries to our existing trade, this counter trend line, the moment to break it, more entries, first level target right here, second level target all the way down. I think that's it for this video. I don't have much really to say. Yeah, however, I have for Euro JPY. Euro JPY, just let it cook. You know, same thing to the Swiss. Same thing to USD JPY, and same thing to New Zealand dollar. Yeah, we just wash and let it do whatever it wants to do as we wait. And that's it, guys. Today we don't have really much to say because most of the majors haven't moved so much from the last analysis we made. So we keep watching. And I think that's it, guys. I hope you did pick up a little from this. And until next time.